All right, so we got half of the west walkway poured, and the space where we have the temporary pole, they're going to come and pour that later once everything is been finished off and everything. So that one zone is going to be left for another day. Yeah, we ended up leveling this block with some little rocks to support it. That whole pad is going to be surrounded in concrete, because if you look, you'll see the chalk line is just below, so it's going to wrap around here and encase this in concrete. So I think we'll be in good shape. I think we're going to be in really good shape. Looking on the porch right now. Bring it back. All right, we got about 30 yards poured so far, and we need about another 8. So we have another truck coming. I'll do another video to pick up where we left off here for the finish.